back with another video. Guys, this has been a long time coming, about 90 days working on this full home renovation, but we are completely done. I know you probably hear that echo because that house is completely empty, and I want to take you on the empty house tour. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below on what you think about this renovation and this makeover. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into this video. People, so when you first walk in, you have this beautiful living room. The floors are still drying, so don't mind the fan. But guys, look at the completed product. It looks like a completely different home. I mean, the lighting in here is spectacular. Let me step back so you can see it. Seriously, the lighting in here is spectacular. We have 6 can lights and an extra light in the middle, and they're all controlled by this base right here. And look, you turn the can lights down, they're on the dimmer, turn that light on and off. It is freaking beautiful. Then we go into the dining room. Now this was previously a living room, but like a secondary living room, but we're gonna be turning it into a dining room. And guys, just look how gorgeous it is at this point without any furniture. Seriously. It looks so gorgeous, and just look at sitting in this room and looking into the living room. It looks so gorgeous. And then we are going to step into the kitchen. So this portion of the kitchen is still being worked on, and that's just meaning that we haven't painted the cabinets, gotten any new countertops or anything along those lines. But listen, it still looks beautiful. Here's the rug that we're going to be putting down in the living room. Guys, there's still a few things to be done because that cabinet right here, that is coming down, but I'm going to be doing that. I can't wait till you see this space fully transformed into the final result. So now I'm gonna get into this. Guys, here is the bathroom. Look how gorgeous and fresh it is. So we're changing the knobs on the vanity, so those silver knobs are gonna go. But just look, we have the ring light there that it changes colors. Well, it doesn't want to do it right now for whatever reason. We're changing out this light, and this isn't a new addition. The green door, oh, it looks so good. Got the beautiful handle. Oh, I love it so much. And this is the new addition for the light. It actually plays music and has a night light and all that good stuff. So that's new. And just look, just so beautiful. The toilet has been put back on. This little shelf has been rebuilt. An vent has been added. We got to put up the curtains, and guys, the shower. The shower looks so beautiful. I mean, this bathroom, the flooring, it looks so fresh and bright and white. Seriously, it looks amazing, and I just love it so much. Here, you guys need some extra lighting. Look at this. It's a 360 view. Wait till we get everything in here. You guys are gonna be so impressed. And we still have to put the mirror up, but that is something that I'm gonna be working on. And guys, this is just so fabulous. I'm not gonna show you the room right now because it's still a work in progress, but it looks amazing in here, guys. Can't wait for you guys to see the home fully furnished. This, I mean, it's gonna be crazy. So thank you guys for watching this short video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.